Hello, my name is Krzysztof. I'm a real estate developer with over 15 years of experience across 2 different continents. Today, I would like to introduce you to a problem that all real estate developers face despite their location. The way how construction is being financed is not efficient. It's too fragmented because most of the projects are financed by multiple investors, including traditional banks and private funds. This makes the process very slow. It often can take more than 6 months, and it also locks investors' capital. All of this affects 400 billion global construction loan market. That's why we created Libelit, a professional platform for institutional investors and real estate developers, where they can all meet together. Thanks to it, we make loan approvals very fast, in days instead of months, and we also unlock investors' capital. Now, how we do it? Well, we simplify the process and we allow real estate developers to submit only one form, which is then presented to multiple investors. Thanks to AI, risk evaluation and LTV calculation, we make approvals in days instead of months. All documents are being stored in one location, available for all parties, investors and developers, including financial reports, construction documents, schedule and drawings. We improve liquidity through secondary markets and web tokenization, allowing flexible entries and exits. Thanks to our project monitoring tools, we reduce overall risk during the investment process because we allow for financial reports and progress reports of the construction to be presented to all investors as well. Where are we today? Our MVP is ready and being tested on XRPL network. We have 4 investment funds already committed to use our platform and 2 real estate projects ready to be listed today. This project wouldn't be possible without my co-founder, Florian Buron, who is an experienced software developer, and he already built one of the main XRP wallets, which is called Gem Wallet. If you are interested in our project, please feel free to reach to me directly. Thank you.